If you're doing any type of printing, whether it be DTF, white toner, I would say learn the power of rasterization, because a lot of people, they do this stuff and they just print out a big box. It feels kind of plasticky because toner is made from plastic, but if you rasterize it, it can feel just as good, if not better, than screen printing. And I would say also invest in some T-seal. It's a piece of paper that you can use once your product is printed, and you give it a finishing press, and it makes it look amazing. So the combination of good rasterization and T-seal gives you a fantastic product that's comparable with every other medium, including screen printing, on the market.
The biggest tip and trick is be a student of the game. The learning curve is there at the beginning, but I would say if you can familiarize yourself with the rasterization process, the garment's gonna feel so much better. But on top of that, like I said, there's so many other things you can do. You can sublimate, you can foil, so many different things.
One thing that I would advise you guys to do is focus on your art. If you're not an artist, you can get somebody freelancing and design your artwork, but it is really, really valuable if you can learn a graphic design software so that you can get in there and dial in the settings, and you can do tricks to images. Like when you do separations in your image, you can lower down opacities on certain colors and have the opacity high up on certain colors, and you can do different things when you ingest it into the printing software. There's many different looks and different tips and tricks to get that garment to feel so good, like store quality.